Hey guys, what's going on? Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy, coming to you from today's video. We're going to be talking about, should you open up a Shopify store or a ClickFunnels store, an account as it were. Okay, so this is a hot topic in the community right now, and I don't want to say that there's one easy answer. So let me break down a couple of reasons why I say that is. So first of all, we need to understand, do you already have a Shopify store? So if you already have a Shopify store and you're selling physical products and goods, I would say you're probably going to want a ClickFunnels account as well, so you can sell your product in 2 locations instead of just 1. And the reason I say that, and it's not just about having more locations, although I do agree with that usually. Your Shopify store is not able, to my knowledge at this time, unless you have you pay for a plugin, which I understand is not that great. I've seen it, it's not that good. Right now, when you go to your Shopify store, there's one widget, okay? There's one thing at a time for sale on your page, right? Maybe it's a t-shirt, let's say it's a t-shirt. And I believe there's a drop-down quantity where people can buy 2 or 3, but what there's not is after they put it in their cart, there's not another selection that says, well, do you want this other shirt? Do you want this other shirt? Do you want this other shirt? That is where ClickFunnels is amazing. And it actually walks your customer through this horizontal process of decision making. Whereas the Shopify app just has the one product sitting there and in a drop-down menu, right? So you see how they're 2 different things? They're not really the same purchasing experience. However, if you're starting your online store, I'm a big believer in getting your product out as many different ways as possible. So in a perfect world, I would have a WordPress site where I have my domain parked and I'm selling items, for sale also on my domain, just hanging out over here. Then I would have my physical products parked on a Shopify store. Then I would also have a ClickFunnels account that I would actively be running my ads to help bolster the sales of the items that's over on my Shopify store. I hope that wasn't too confusing, because it really can be confusing. So like I said before, more the merrier is not always better. I mean, just because you have 10 different ads running to 10 different sites, you have to make sure that your back end is arranged and that you're organized, because the last thing you want to do is start a business and then you can't remember where to log in and sales are flying around and you can't remember, like, or maybe you've got Oberlo and your products or Zapier and your Zaps aren't firing. Like, so there's a couple of cons to why you get too crazy. But if I recommend you build one at a time, get one up and get it built, and then if you're ready to push forward and getting your message out, if you're ready to hopefully 6x or more your sales, if you've already got your Shopify store up, go ahead and build your funnel over here and start running active traffic to that. You can set up a Zapier app that will communicate over to your Shopify store and report the sales into your Shopify store for you. All right, you guys, this was kind of a techie video, but hopefully it gets the point across that there's no right answer. It just depends on the type of business that you are running, and whether or not you're drop shipping or you actually own the physical product. There's all sorts of variables that go into that. But if you enjoyed this video and like to enjoy other videos just like it on my channel, be sure to check out the description down below. There's a link if you're interested. I have a membership community where I charge $47 a month, and I teach people how to put together their own sales funnels for their own entrepreneur journey and their own community, so you can get more leads, customers, and sales into your business, whether you're brick and mortar or online. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.